What's your view on the market right now? Like, is it too late to buy? Is this a good time to be accumulating? What do you think?
The market's fantastic. This is a good day to be recording because Bitcoin is above 42,000 and the money is flowing in right now. Market is so hot. I've been saying this for a while, and a lot of people during the bear market, no one really listens, but I've been saying for a while. If you discount everything else out there, all the macro stuff, things that we had to worry about for a long time, like rates and the DXY and 10-year yield, stuff like that. If you discount all that and you discount even spot ETF approvals coming, right? If you just look at a 4-year cycle, Bitcoin has been doing the same thing over and over and over again. So that's that's a message that not a lot of people pay attention to during the bear market, because all they look at is, well, it's down for 69,000. But something else that people don't look at that I've been stressing a lot upon is look at the fundamentals of Bitcoin. And people don't understand what that means. I'm like, look at everything that you can measure Bitcoin by. The number of addresses, right? The number of holders, the supply that hasn't been moved in X amount of time. And it could be 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 7 year, right? You can also look at the hash rate. These are things that measure the strength of the network itself, and they are strong as ever. In fact, most of these metrics show that Bitcoin is at an all-time high. So I've been stressing these things for years now. Again, in a bear market, no one pays attention. Now people are, right? And you compound the all-time metrics, the fundamentals of Bitcoin with the macro conditions, with spot Bitcoin ETF approval right around the corner, which will bring institutions in. I mean, man, how could you not be bullish at this point, right? So I'm very bullish. I don't think it's too late to get in. Bitcoin is not above its previous high. If Bitcoin was at 70,000 right now, then maybe I would say, hey, maybe you should be a little bit more careful with your DCAs, right? Or maybe go a little bit smaller on the DCA. But right now, it's not the time. Bitcoin is still, even at 42,000, it's still off from 70,000. And most of the alts are still down 50, 60, 70, 80, 90%. So it's definitely not too late to come into the market right now.
I've been